All right, and I'm back. And this is something I wasn't really going to do a video about, but I decided, what the heck. This is a little set I got off of eBay. Some Chinese set. Came in a bag. It was I don't know, $750. It's about what all these Chinese 200 piece sets roughly cost, around $7 to $8.50. Anyways, I just didn't think it was gonna be worth it to do a video. But you know what? This one was actually kind of fun. I thought it was gonna be ordinary, and then it had a few surprises to it, like this water gun, which is, that's pretty neat. Now, I did redesign the system a little bit. This was originally not quite like that, and it just did not function very well. So I changed it so that comes out. Now, also, if you open the doors, which are really tight on these, you've got some knobs and gauges, and there are no stickers on here. This was all pre-made. This is leftover piece here that I just kind of stuck. Well, tried to stick. One-handed. And the other door over here. It's Friday. I'm happy it's Friday. No more physical therapy till Monday. Let's see if I can get the... Sorry, I'm so clumsy with these. I'm such an amateur, but then we have this thing. The on-off thing looks like a micro USB. And you lift up this drawer here, and you've got some whatever this is, whatever you want it to be. I figured I'd make a hose or something out of it. But yeah, I thought this was not going to be as full featured for $7, and I wasn't sure about the quality of the pieces connecting, but they seem to be pretty solid. So anyways, there y'all go. Just a little extra filler video. I'll see you next time. Thanks, eBay. Bye.